to my channel. And spring is almost here. It is the middle of March, and today we'll be unboxing the March 2019 Goddess Provisions box. It's a once monthly subscription box that comes to your door filled with high vibe lifestyle goods that are vegan and cruelty free and bring out the inner goddess within you. So I have no idea what's in this month's box. I got some Fiskas, and I'm just gonna break the tape and see what's in this baby. I like to give you guys the first peek. Oops, some purple worms fell out. What do you see? Anything good? Oh, I don't know what it is. All right, so let's pull out the first item. I'm gonna go with what I saw first. I think it's a tea. Einstein combines anti-inflammatory and antioxidant cerebro-supportive herbs to increase blood oxygenation and brain circulation, which helps strengthen long and short-term memory, focus, and mental calm. Very cool. The ingredients are holy basil, spearmint, peppermint, ginkgo biloba, wood betony, skullcap, gutta-cola, rosemary, rose hips, and gynostemma, when in season, and peppermint extract. So this seems like it's going to be a very herbal, spearmint-y kind of tea. I'm excited. I love teas. So already starting this box with an awesome find. Okay, what is next? This is the next thing I saw. Oh, sorry. Oh, wow. It's a piece of Orgonite. Oh, how cool. Oh, I'm so excited about this. I love Orgonite. Orgonite is resin filled with usually copper, bits of metals, and crystals. Here's the back side. You can see all the little crystals that are in there. I can see what I think is some amethyst. I think it's amethyst. And that's just a beautiful design on the front. And when I first learned about Orgonite, I heard that this was good to bust down chemtrails. These are chemtrail busters, and that people put these all over, you know, around their house to keep the chemtrails from coming near them. Don't know how true it is, but that is what I've heard. Okay, what is next? Yes, Buddha chocolate. I'm so excited. Magical Alchemy, wild rose and sea salt chocolate bar. Rose chocolate. Handcrafted chocolate, single origin cacao, sweetened with nourishing coconut sugar. I don't know if you know me, but I love me some chocolates. Someone actually commented in last month's video saying they didn't like the chocolate. Thank you so much for commenting and being part of my channel. I love it that we all have different opinions. I really liked it. It was citrusy. I don't know how I'm going to feel about rose, but I'm going to try it right now. You can really taste the sea salt. This is probably the saltiest chocolate I've ever had, but I like it. Thank you, Goddess Provisions. So who makes this? It's vegan and paleo. I think it's called Buddha chocolate. 70% cacao. And from what I hear, the better chocolates are 70% and higher. Got a little chocolate on my fingers. Thank you, Goddess Provisions, and thank you, Buddha chocolate. I really enjoyed that chocolate. I feel like a lot of times, if you're used to a conventional chocolate that you would get, you know, in a supermarket or like a convenience store, it's not high quality and it's filled with a lot of sugar. So of course it tastes much sweeter. But what is next in our box? Ooh, a little bag. I really like it. It's got Metatron's cube and then what I'm going to call a Harry Potter Patronus. It is a Patronus and Metatron's cube. I really like it. My boyfriend is the master of little bags. He likes bags and boxes, so he will really enjoy it. A cosmic collaboration. Goddess Provision and Cosmic Collage. Deer medicine. Deer is a symbol of spiritual connection and intuition. It is said that their antlers reach up to the cosmos, bringing them closer to the Creator. Deer represent the ability to regenerate and face obstacles with grace. Very cool. Thank you for the little bag, Goddess Provisions. Okay, so the next thing I saw that is piquing my curiosity is this sacred jewelry, the Seed of Creation. That's really beautiful, and this kind of reminds me of the golden snitch from Harry Potter. I don't know why everything's making me feel like Harry Potter right now. I'm gonna open it up. Oh, it's the charm. It's what's on the outside is a little charm. Oh wow, I really like it. I wonder what kind of metal it's made out of. I will look it up. And what it says is joy, love, and trust. Thank you, Goddess Provisions. I really like it. I want to see what metal it's made out of because I'm very, very sensitive. But I actually got this Unakite necklace from one of your boxes and I haven't taken it off. So I'm really excited to see what metal that's made out of. Alright, what is next in the box? Ooh, what is this? Rainbow Symphony. Oh, these are like window tattoos. That's exciting. I would love to put some tattoos on my SUV. I know it's not good to put too many stickers because then they'd be looking at you like you're a teenager. But let's see what kind of designs they have in here. Sorry, I'm having difficulties opening them. Oh, this is cool. There's one like that. Oh, I love that. I have this tattooed without the pyramid in the middle of my chest. Oh, sorry, I hit the box. Oh, I really like this one too. Oh, this is gonna be fun.
That's good.
I really like these. My boyfriend will have fun putting these on. Oh, he's gonna want that one. That's him. Oh, wow. Very cool. I'm burping from the chocolate. Oh. That's very cool. Tattoos for your car. Thank you, Goddess Provisions. Something I didn't think I would enjoy, but I'm really enjoying it. Okay, so we got that piece of Orgonite, which I thought was this month's crystal, but I found a little rock. I found a wee rock. So let's see. It is blue, and I don't know if this is, I really don't know. Kind of looks like aventurine, but that's green. I don't know, I'm stumped. I'm gonna have to read the thing. We're almost to our cheat sheet, but it's very beautiful. Maybe a blue apatite? I don't know, I'm gonna get the cheat sheet out. It's in the very bottom, underneath all the little worms. And this is the artwork for this month. Very beautiful. And this will just tell us all the things that we got. So the first thing was the Cosmic Collage Metatron's coin pouch. And that is by Cosmic Collage, and it was in collaboration with Goddess Provisions. The very next, oh, it's silver. The Seed of Creation. Where's my necklace? Where's my necklace at? I gotta find it. Here it is. The Seed of Creation, silver, 925 Galactic Star Talisman. The symbol merges the six-pointed star, also known as the Merkaba, and the Seed of Life. I really like this. It represents the transcendence of masculine and feminine. Oh, and if you're following my Astrology 101 series, that is the latest video that has come out. Very, very cool. I will be wearing this. It's real silver. It won't bug my skin out. I got that white skin. Everything bugs my skin out. Okay, so the next thing is the Rainbow Symphony Sun. Oh, they're sun catchers. Oh, that's so cool. Place these prismatic stickers on your windows and let light filter through the geometric symbols to charge your sacred space. Very cool, and that's by Rainbow Symphony. Thank you so much. I'm so excited. Next is Artemis Tea Einstein blend. So I I think Artemis Teas is the brand. This tea blend is formulated with herbs like ginkgo biloba, guta cola to enhance concentration, insight, creativity. Brew a warm cup and allow your mind to tune into the patterns of the natural world. Very cool. Dream Seed Orgonite. Clear yourself, technology devices, or your sacred space of negative energy with this Orgonite disc featuring the Dream Seed design. From Seed of Creation and made with powerful blend of crystals and metals. Learn more about Orgonite at Goddess Provisions. So like I said, what I know about Orgonite is people create this to bust negative energy, and what I really learned about it was when I was learning about chemtrails, people would make these to bust out the chemtrails away from their house. And then, the stone. Blue Apatite. I was correct. I'm getting better and better with my rocks. I have been studying crystals for well over a decade now, and me and my boyfriend we're really good at it. We can pick stones up and we just know what stones they are. You want to work with this stone when setting new goals. It holds an energy for clearing away conflicting thoughts and calls in positivity so you can manifest your highest alignment. Very cool. I really enjoyed this month's box, Goddess Provisions. Thank you so much for all the fun hippie stuff I get to play with. I think this was a very nice touch for spring. One thing I am missing is an essential oil. I've been loving getting all your little things in pumps and rollers, and I am collecting them, and that's one thing I missed, but you gave me chocolate. Oh, and I don't think I went back over the chocolate, did I? I skipped the chocolate. Buddha Chocolate Wild Rose and Sea Salt Bar. Look to the center of a rosebud, and you will get a glimpse of the sacred geometry infusing this luscious chocolate. Ooh. I might have to eat one more. I might have to eat another piece. Oh, look at that. I want to eat the chocolate with the rose on it. Oh, I got a cat hair on it. I got a cat hair on it. It's not even in my possession for what, 20 minutes, and there's cat hair in it already. That doesn't bother me. The little bits of rose. I feel like that might bother some people. Don't bother me. Thank you, God's provision. Look. Just one more. Thank you, God's Provisions, for feeding me and for giving me wonderful, hippie, fun things to play with. So I think my favorite item from this month's box is the Orgonite. I only own one piece. I have a big pyramid and it hangs above where I sleep. And I think this is my favorite item. What was your favorite item from this box? I want to thank you so much for hanging out with me. And I will see you in April with another Goddess Provisions unboxing.